In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets. Sometimes, you might want to share just a specific sheet with someone, perhaps because it contains specific information that's relevant to them. Whatever your reason may be, Google Sheets makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. To get started, open the Google Sheet that contains the tab you'd like to share. Once you have it open, you'll notice multiple tabs at the bottom of your screen if you're using a spreadsheet with more than one sheet. The first thing you'll need to do is find the tab that you want to share. Right-click on this tab, and a drop-down menu will appear. From those options, select Copy To, and then choose New Spreadsheet. This action will create a brand new spreadsheet, containing only the data from that particular tab. After you've selected New Spreadsheet, you should see a pop-up message confirming the copy. Now, click Open Spreadsheet from this pop-up notification. This will take you to the newly created spreadsheet in a new tab in your browser. This spreadsheet is independent from the original one and contains just the data from the sheet you decided to share. Once you've opened the new spreadsheet, you might want to customize it a bit. Usually, giving it an identifiable name is a good idea. Click on the title at the top of the new spreadsheet and rename it to something relevant. This will make it easier for the person you're sharing it with to know exactly what they're looking at. Now, it's time to actually share the sheet with your desired recipients. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Share button. Click on it, and you'll see a new window appear. In this window, type the email address of the people you would like to share the spreadsheet with. You can also adjust their permissions. Maybe you want them just to view, or perhaps to comment or edit the document. Once you're happy with your choices, click Send. This will send an email invitation to the people you specified, granting them access to the sheet. And there you have it. You've successfully shared just one single tab from your original Google Sheets document in a neat and efficient way. This method is perfect for maintaining privacy and organization, especially when you don't want to share your entire document. Before you know it, you'll be managing your Google Sheets like a pro. Remember to check the permissions of your shared documents periodically to ensure that everyone has the right level of access. And as always, keep an eye on your Google Drive, organizing your documents so you can easily find them when you need them. Happy sharing!